I was gonna do a different video today, but I picked up these noodles when I went to the store, and I kind of wanted to try them out because, like, you know me and spice. I love it. I'm curious to see how spicy this volcano chicken noodle ramen is gonna be, but hopefully it's well. I'm gonna hope it's not too bad. Like the big ramen. 4 packs in here. I thought it was 5. Okay, guess not. We have like the usual ramen. That one's a little pack in here. Got the ramen, got the little packets. Ooh, look at that. Got the little flakes in here. And the sauce. The very squishy sauce. Okay. That's about it. Just and the noodles too. Just, you know, to see how they are. I'm gonna go cook these up, mix everything together, including the flakes, and I'm gonna come back and try it out. I'm not gonna add anything to it yet afterwards, but yeah, I'm gonna do this, cook it up, and see how hot these volcano noodles really are. Because apparently it's crazy hot. So yeah, gonna do that. Okay, everything is in here. I haven't mixed it up yet, but let's go ahead and put a little mix the mix. Ooh, look at that. Okay. There are some like little flakes. It could be sesame seeds here. But oops, erase to the back. Alrighty. Let's see how spicy. It's like some like thick noodles over here. It smells good. Okay. Yeah. I'm like, even though I'm like okay with chopsticks, I'm still not that good at it. But hey, if I get up an Asian man, I'm prepared. I use chopsticks, so kidding. But I'm gonna try it out. Very chewy. And the sauce was like kind of sweet too. Whoa. Oh yeah, that like spice, that heat. Oh yeah, it's like, it'll get you. It's not gonna sneak up on you. It's like in your face. But like I said, like, the sauce is like kind of sweet too. And the noodles are like super chewy. Pretty good. Also kind of messy because I probably got sauce on my face, but that's okay. If you're not getting a little bit messy while you're eating, then, you know, are you even eating correctly? That can be taken out of context. Please do take it out of context. But in this case, I'm talking about noodles, so. Like, I'm not really a big fan of, like, sesame seeds. But, I mean, I can, like, tolerate with, like, the ramen noodles, but not really something that I go for. Now, if I say, like, how spicy these are on a scale of, like, 1 to, maybe not 1 to 10, like, 1 to 5, it's like a solid 4.5. Like, you know, broken record. I don't need to go, like, grab some ice cream and milk, but it's pretty high. For, like, the non-spicy eaters, it's probably, like, a 5, but it's, like, usually the heat takes a minute to kind of, like, kick in, but it's, like, once you take a bite, it's, like, your whole mouth is burning, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. Like, I have, like, 3 more packets, so I'm going to finish all the noodles. Not in one sitting, but I'm going to finish them all. looks like I have sauce all over my face right now. But and a lot of people do hate spicy because like nose is like running, it's like sniffles. I don't care. I like the spice, and I'm going to continue enjoying my spicy noodles. I'm just like too busy like enjoying the flavor. It's like sweet, spicy, soft, chewy noodles. I didn't add anything to it, just like sauce in the packet. That's about it. But I'll probably add a little butter like off camera. But oh yeah, I would definitely try this again. Ooh. I'll think in case anyone want to try for yourselves or find it at your grocery store ramen section noodles. If you can handle the spice, it's like a 4.5. It's like pretty tingly, but not too bad. But yeah, everybody's spice tolerance is different. I won't say I have a high tolerance of spice, but I can handle a good amount. Don't know if I want to try like the hottest pepper, but you know, I'm not trying to die on camera for you guys, so we'll see. But mm. Mm. Pretty good stuff. And now sauce on my face, mouth. I'm gonna go wash up, eat this, and I'll see you on this video, which will probably be either those Oreos, the soda, or sour cotton candy, or maybe one of the drinks that I have left over. But yeah, I'll see you on this video. I'll link it if you want to try it, find a store, or whatever. Try it if you want. Stay where. I'm gonna finish this.